Hey everybody, welcome back. I have another nail tutorial for you today, and it's this slanted French tip design. I'm using two of my favorite winter polishes for this design. The first one is Black Cherry Chutney. This is an old classic from OPI. It's a really gorgeous burgundy with some fuchsia shimmer. And then I have Wild Nude from the Essie Wild Nudes collection. I love that collection. It's probably my all-time favorite Essie collection. I have a review of that entire collection. I'll put a link to that down below. It's a gorgeous nude polish. It's probably my favorite nude from 2017. I've done the design on all my nails except for the one that I'll be showing you today, but I just did 2 coats of Wild Nude on all my nails. And then you don't really need tools for this design. You can, if you want to get in the corners a little bit better, use a smaller brush, but I'm just using the brush, polish brush for this. So you're just going to go to almost the middle of the side, and then you're going to go up to the top a little past halfway, and that's going to be your slight little slant. And then you're going to use a little brush and some acetone and clean up that. A smaller brush will make it less messy, but I just like to just use the polish brush once in a while and not have to use any tools. So then once that dries, I'm going to come in with a second coat, and I'm going to make sure I follow that same line and come up to the top. And that's it. Make sure you get a good cleanup. Wipe that brush off in between before going and getting another section clean. That will help prevent it from smearing all over your skin. Okay, once you have it dry and all cleaned off, you're going to go ahead and use your fast dry top coat. I'm using Glisten and Glow top coat. Do 1 generous coat. And that's the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. It's really simple yet chic, and I think it's a little bit edgy too. I kind of like it. So give me a thumbs up if you like this tutorial and you think you're going to try it out, and we'll talk to you guys later. Thanks. Bye.